California's CCPA is reshaping data privacy laws worldwide by expanding on GDPR. This groundbreaking regulation is not just a local affair, it's a global game changer. Let's explore why CCPA was introduced and its significance in our digital age. While CCPA and GDPR share similarities, they also have distinct differences. Understanding these nuances is crucial for businesses operating in multiple jurisdictions. CCPA grants individuals powerful rights over their data. From knowing what data is collected to opting out of sales, these rights empower consumers like never before and shouldn't be overlooked. In 2023, CCPA introduced new rights, including data rectification and limiting sensitive information use, not only for the individual but also for the household. These additions further enhance consumer control over the usage of their information. We'll discuss the implications of these rights for both consumers and businesses. Determining CCPA applicability is crucial for businesses. Factors like revenue, consumer data collection, and business location play a role. Failure to understand CCPA can impact a business negatively and increase the possibility of sanctions. Being a California business is the start of the various nuances regarding CCPA compliance. Contact Arrakis Consulting, so see how we can help you exploit potential loopholes and how they might affect your business operations. Ensuring CCPA compliance involves several steps, including data audits and impact analyses. These measures are essential for safeguarding your consumers' data. Arrakis Consulting offers expert guidance in achieving compliance for CCPA and also GDPR. From gap assessments, managed services, virtual roles, to regulatory training, we provide the support businesses need to stay compliant. Non-compliance with CCPA can lead to significant risks, including hefty fines and legal action. However, compliance also presents opportunities to build consumer trust, enhance brand reputation, and most importantly, increase revenue. Compliance can be a competitive advantage in today's marketplace. By adhering to CCPA and GDPR, businesses can differentiate themselves and gain consumer loyalty. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit our website at www.arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you succeed. Your success equals our success, and we want you to succeed.